Our brain is the master of our body, so taking care of it is of utmost importance. So, doctor, can you explain about brain health?
See, brain health means, as per the WHO definition, your brain should functioning normally in terms of cognitive, motor, sensory, then social and emotional. So all these things. That means we know sensory means we are censoring. For example, fear as for example touch, pain or temperature. If feeling all these things, that is called sensory.
Yes.
Then motor means we know we are doing all the activities. So that is called motor. Then cognitive means we are learning some things. Then we are using our languages. Then we are remembering or recall. All these functions are called cognitive. Then social and emotional, we know all these things. Social means we are interacting with others. That is called social skills or social things. Then emotional means already we know. That means we are showing our angry or we are smiling. No, we are showing our sympathy or empathy. All these things called emotional things. So in all the terms, your brain should function normally. So that is called brain health. Brain health normally.
That's why in Ayurveda also the structure brain is not that much explained, but still all the functions what he said, that cognitive power, other restoration power, retention power, etc. is explained in the term called Didridi Smriti, etc. Such kind of words they have used. And also Shiras is explained in total as a marmasthana. We know that marma is the vital points where all the nerves, it's a juncture.
Yes.
So maybe that's why Acharyas have our ancient seers have explained this very elaborately, because marma bhighadam causes so many neurological issues or other problems of the body. So it is explained as trimarma, one of the marma, as explained as shiras. Shiras is one marma according to. So it is the center for all the functions. And these all functions explained in different context. Structurally, they used to elaborately explain about the brain functions and other related things in marma, and in other disease also, where the memory loss happens, like epilepsy, insanity and all. It is explained. So the functional aspect is actually more concentrated in maybe in class 6 than structurally elaborating the brain as such. That is the theoretical part which we can find the thing about brain related topics in class 6.
Okay. So, doctor, what are the various factors affecting brain health?
So there is the first thing, oxidative stress. So as we are getting old, our brains are also getting old.
Yes.
So the oxidative stress creates the neurons. What do you call a degenerative process.
Okay. They start dying slowly.
So slowly, but actually the neurons cannot regenerate. Once die, which cannot regenerate. So that is called oxidative stress. So that it is happening when we are getting aging.
Yes.
So because of that only, we are getting the disease like dementia or Alzheimer's, all these diseases.
Yes.
So to avoid all these things, we will come to later the management. Then other thing is anxiety, then stress, then depression, then insomnia. So all these things affect our brain health.
Even the gut also.
Gut also.
Okay.
That's why in autism spectrum disorders, all they used to concentrate the importance of gut factor also, gut health also in small children, because some disease, cognitive disorders or other disease like autism spectrum disorder, ADHD, everything, they used to take care of the gut also in childhood. And also another thing I want to point out, the factors affecting even the trauma. The main disease like we get because of brain damage is Parkinsonism. We know so many examples like Muhammad Ali, etc. They all died because of Parkinson's, because of the repeated punch. So trauma is also one of the factor. In addition to these points, actually trauma is also causing brain damage or degeneration of the brain, even minute small injury to the cells, because we know that it is not regenerating. So that contributes, all these factors contribute the health of the brain.
So, in Siddha, what all medications we can give to maintain brain health?
In first thing, see, if you want to have a good sleep, you have to take oil bath. That is weekly twice. For men and women, you have to take the oil bath weekly twice. For the oil bath, you can use commonly gingerly oil or any medicated oil like Brahmi Thailam or Ashwagandha Badalakshadi Thailam. All this oil you can use for oil bath. Then once if you take oil bath, you have to bath with warm water or hot water. You should not bath with a cold water. Then see, if you take oil bath, you will have a undisturbed sleep. So you can sleep without disturbance up to 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours. So from the next day you will feel very fresh. Then your stress level will also go down. So the another thing, indirectly what is happening, see, the stress hormone is called cortisol. So when you take oil bath, your cortisol level will go down. Okay, it will go down. So this is the thing. For first thing, you have to follow to avoid all this insomnia or stress, all these conditions. Then if you want to go another things, another preventive measure is then meditation. Okay. You can do pranayama or meditation or dhyana. Then another thing is mindfulness. So meditation is a component of mindfulness. So most of the time what we are doing, either we are thinking about the past or we are fearing about the future. So we are not in the presence of present.
We are not living in the present.
We are not living in the present. So mindfulness is a tool to living in the present. So meditation is a component of mindfulness. So meditation is not only the component of mindfulness. Even you can walk. So even during the walking, you can also meditate. How? For example, if you are walking, you can sense your feet. You can sense your movement of your feet. Okay, this is called mindfulness or mindful meditation. Even when you are eating, you can smell the food, you can taste the food, you can even sense the texture of the food. So all this called mindfulness. So it will help you to bring into your present period or present time. So to avoid your past, thinking about the past or thinking about the future. So all these things will reduce your stress level. So that is called mindfulness. Then walking also, generally you can, if you go to walking, that will also improve your mental health or brain health. That will increase your blood flow to your brain.
In addition to this, so many rasayana medicines are there. So in Ayurveda, they used to tell about the rasayana, rejuvenate the cells to restore the memory. Memory not only means the memory which we recall. Memory of the cells is also important, because cell memory is very important to function well. The cells, organelles are there. They have to act according to their function. So that from the cell, the memory has to be boosted. And the traditional concept, that Swarna Prashna, maybe people from Kerala will be knowing that, that people used to give the small child with Swarna and Vayamba. That's a traditional concept. I think in medical college or Ayurveda medical college, they used to practice as Swarna Prashna. In 2M Nakshatram, they used to give. So these are the traditional things which our acharyas have contributed to maintain the brain health. Of course, as he told, so many other factors also. Diet is also important, and exercise is also important. So oxidative stress we have to remove with the addition of all omega-3 acids, like kind of things, and proper minerals like vitamin B12, magnesium, etc. This a complete balanced diet according to the constitution. So this will always contribute the better brain health. In addition to this, we have therapies are there. For example, Shirodhara, Shiro Pichu. That means pouring some oil which stimulates the brain, or nervine tonic like medicines we can pour as Dhara or Shirovasti. And of course, to make that gut microbiome or gut health, we can add neem also, different kind of vastis also. These are all we generally use for the brain related disease. At the same time, like products like Vallarai, Brahmi Gridam. Vallarai tablets are a wonderful drug, and also some medicines like Sugandhidra Chornam. It contains actually Jada Manji and all. So it functions well in the sleeplessness, anxiety disorder and all. Such kind of lot of drugs are there. I think in Ayurveda, a lot of drugs for nerves and brain health. And some Rasayana drugs also are there. It's a very big topic, vast topic actually.
So, train your brain to live in the present.